Okay. There's this crazy dove. And it let me put all the... I'm much closer than it seems, too, with the stupid camera. But he let me put all that food by him. And he's just been sitting here. Look. Where's my hand? There's my hand. I'm this close, look. I'm crushing the bird. I'm crushing the bird. I crushed it. I'm crushing his head. Crush. Anyway, obviously he's not in danger or hurt, or she. Kind of has some pink in its feathers you can't see way at the back, so it's a she. Hi, little one. See, look. Crush. Crush. That's me. Look. Look, look, I'm right here. I'm right there. Alright, thanks for watching.